So this is a geometry problem. In this case, we have a triangle PQR and S is the midpoint, and then we are connecting the midpoint with P, so that is we are joining P and S. So what are the things that is given? The first thing is, it is given that QS is equals to SR, that is this distance is equals to this length. And the second thing is, angle PSQ is 45 degree. So angle PSQ, no, this angle is PSQ, so PSQ. So this angle is 45 degree. So this is given that this angle is 45 degree. Next we have, that is angle PQR is 3 times PRQ. So let us say PRQ, let us call this angle as theta. Then angle PQR, that is this angle, will be 3 theta. So this angle is, in this case, is 3 theta. Now we have to find value of PRQ, which is theta. So what is the value of theta? Let us say this angle is alpha and this angle is beta. So if you consider triangle PQS, then you can say sum of the angle is equals to 180 degree. This means alpha plus 3 theta plus 45 degree is equals to 180 degree. So from here you can say alpha is equals to 180 minus 45 minus 3 theta, which is equals to 135 minus 3 theta. Now similarly, we can find beta, that is if you consider triangle PSR. Now this angle will be 135 because sum of the angles on a line is equals to 180. So this side is 45, so this will be 135. So we can say in triangle PSR, beta plus 135 plus theta is equals to 180 degree. This means beta is equals to 180 minus 135 minus theta is equals to 45 minus theta. So now we have beta is equals to 45 minus theta. So now to solve this problem, we will use sine rule. So this problem can be solved using trigonometry, or it can also be solved using pure geometry. So here I will solve using trigonometry. So let us say if you have a triangle ABC. So in any triangle ABC, so this is A, this is B, this is C. This side length is called A, and this side is length is C, and this side length is B. And this angle is A, this angle is B, this angle is C. So the rule is, sine rule says A by sine A is equals to B by sine B, and which is equals to C by sine C. So this is the sine rule. So now I will use this sine rule for this situation. So now the same figure I have drawn here, that is the same triangle. So now let us consider triangle PQS. So if I consider triangle PQS, that is this triangle PQS, I can write QS divided by sine alpha is equals to PS divided by sine 3 theta, sine 3 theta. So the side and corresponding angle. So QS is, so you see, QS is this side and opposite angle is alpha. So QS divided by sine alpha. Then PS is this side and opposite angle is 3 theta. So that's why we have PS divided by sine 3 theta. So I can rearrange and then I can write QS by PS is equals to sine alpha divided by sine 3 theta. So this is my one expression. Now we will consider triangle, that is this triangle PSR. So that is this triangle. So now in triangle PSR, what I will have? I can write SR by sine beta is equals to PS divided by sine theta. That is SR, that is this length, and opposite angle is beta, that's why we have SR by sine beta, and this is PS, and then opposite angle we have theta, so PS by sine theta. So from here I can also write this is SR by PS is equals to sine beta divided by sine theta. Now see, SR is what? This length is basically same as this length. That is SR is equals to QS. So I can replace SR with QS. So this is my second equation that is coming from the second triangle. Now you see in this case also I have QS by PS and here I also have QS by PS. This means right hand side has to be equal. So we can write, so this is sine beta basically because this beta goes there. So we can write that is both terms are equal, that is sine alpha divided by sine 3 theta. Sine 3 theta is equals to sine beta divided by sine theta. Now we know alpha beta in terms of theta. If you remember, we have here that is alpha is equals to 180 minus 45 minus theta. So this is alpha is equals to 180 minus 45 plus theta. And beta is how much? Beta is equals to 45 minus theta. So let us plug the value of alpha and beta. So sine 45 minus, this is 180 minus 45 plus theta, and this divided by sine 3 theta is equals to sine beta. Beta is 45 minus theta, and this divided by sine theta. Now let us take this thing. So if you remember, sine 180 minus theta is basically sine theta. So there is a formula that is sine 180 minus theta is equals to sine theta. So I will use this identity and then I can write this expression is simply sine 45 plus theta divided by sine 3 theta is equals to sine 45 minus theta divided by sine theta. Now let us multiply both sides. So we will have sine 45 plus theta into sine theta is equals to sine 45 minus theta into sine 3 theta. Now let us multiply both sides by 2. So basically I made a mistake. So you see alpha is 180 minus 45 minus 3 theta, that is 180 minus 45 plus 3 theta. So this will be 3 theta, not simply, so this here, this is 3 theta, not theta. So let us replace everywhere with 3 theta. So 45 plus 3 theta. So I will have here 45 plus 3 theta. So this term will be 45 plus 3 theta. And then this will be 45 plus 3 theta. and this will be again 45 plus 3 theta. Now I will use identity. So what I have, 2 sine A sine B. So 2 sine A sine B is basically equals to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So this is the identity that I will use. So if I use this identity, so this is A, so in this case this is A and this is B. So I will write cos A minus B, that is 45 plus 3 theta minus theta, minus cos A plus B, that is 45 plus 3 theta plus theta. And then right hand side, let us call this is A and this is B. So we will have cos A minus B, that is 45 minus theta minus 3 theta, minus cos A plus B. So 45 minus theta plus 3 theta. So from here I can say this will be cos 45 plus 2 theta, and this is cos 45 plus 4 theta, and this is equals to cos 45 minus 4 theta and minus cos 45 plus 2 theta. So now let us rearrange the terms. So this term can go right side and this term can come left side. So I will have cos 45 plus 2 theta plus cos 45 plus 2 theta. And this side I will have cos 45 minus 4 theta and plus cos 45 plus 4 theta. So now you see this is basically 2 times. So 2 cos 45 plus 2 theta, and this is equals to, and this is cos C minus D. So I will use again another formula, that is cos C plus D. So you have cos C plus cos D, and the formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 multiplied by cos C minus D by 2. So I will use this formula. So we will have 2 cos C plus D by 2. So 45 minus 4 theta and 45 plus 4 theta. So this will be 90, and 90 divided by 2. So that is 45. And then cos C minus D by 2. So C minus D will be simply minus 8 theta divided by 2, that is minus 4 theta. But we know that cos of minus theta is equals to cos theta. So we will have 2 cos 45 plus 2 theta is equals to 2 cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. And this is simply cos theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So this will be cos 4 theta. Now I can expand this term. That is cos A plus B is equals to cos A cos B. So this will be 2 also gets cancelled out. So we will have cos A cos B. So cos A is 45, cos B, and minus sin A sin B. So sin 45 and sin B, B is 2 theta, is equals to 1 by root 2 cos 4 theta. So cos 45, sin 45 both are 1 by root 2. So this is 1 by root 2 cos 2 theta minus 1 by root 2 sin 2 theta is equals to 1 by root 2 cos 4 theta. So 1 by root 2 gets cancelled out. So I will have cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta is equals to cos 4 theta. So I can rewrite, that is sin 2 theta is equals to, this will be cos 2 theta minus cos 4 theta. That is cos C minus cos D. So we can again use the formula cos C minus cos D, that is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. So I am using the formula, that is cos C minus cos D is equals to 2 sin C plus D by 2, that is 2 theta plus 4 theta divided by 2 times sin D minus C by 2. Sin D minus C, that is 4 theta minus 2 theta divided by 2. And again this side I will use the formula sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta cos theta. So this is simply 2 sin theta cos theta, and sin theta is basically 2 theta. So no, sin theta is sin theta. So sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta cos theta. So now see, this 2 again cancel out. So we will have sin theta into cos theta is equals to sin 3 theta. And this will be 2 theta by 2, so sin theta. Since sin theta is not 0, so we can cancel, and then I will have basically cos theta, which is equals to sin 90 minus theta is equals to sin 3 theta. So from here I can say 3 theta is equals to 90 minus theta. So 3 theta is equals to 90 minus theta. So this means 4 theta is equals to 90 degree. So this means theta is equals to 22.5 degree. So in this problem, theta is equals to 22.5 degrees. So we have used trigonometry. It seems cumbersome. We have used a lot of formula. But if you remember this formula, these things are not difficult to solve. You can also solve using the geometry. So let us see, write in the comment box your solution if you have solved using the geometry. And I hope you like this video, and if you like, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.